Former presidential spokesperson Edwin Lacierda is looking for Pastor Apollo Quiboloy of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ. In October 2019, the self-declared appointed Son of God claimed he stopped the earthquakes that hit Mindanao. Former Deputy Presidential Spokesperson Abigail Balte replied to Lacierda. Other netizens reacted. In January 2020, the United States Federal Bureau of Investigation arrested 3 members of Quiboloy's church in Los Angeles, California. They were charged with human trafficking and immigration fraud.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.